What if setting up your Flutter app took minutes, not weeks? Monorepo setup, dependency injection, CI/CD pipelines, feature isolation, analytics, monitoring. Every team rebuilds the same foundation over and over again. Introducing Archipelago, 33 Mason bricks, 1 CLI, production-ready architecture from day one, API impl split, dual GetIt dependency injection, GitHub Actions, Fastlane, feature modules, state management, all pre-configured, all battle-tested. One command, that's all it takes. Archipelago creates your monorepo structure, wires 12 infrastructure packages, configures your CI/CD pipelines, scaffolds your first features, and generates your theme system. Your app is ready. Start shipping features. These are architecture patterns from apps serving tens of millions of users. Super app scale, fintech grade, production proven. Archipelago, ship your Flutter app in days, not weeks. Install it now. Visit archipelago.banuacoder.com.